Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by placing the scan center where you expect the target. Set an initial radius and an angular increment so your sweep is efficient. Finer angles find small features but cost time. Once done, ensure your data source is aligned to the same coordinate system and pick the radius sequence that includes 35 as a target ring. You follow a clockwise or counterclockwise sweep, capturing samples at each angle. This first step gets you measurable hits to analyze next. You now run the radial sweep from small radii progressively outward, making sure to include the radius of 35. At each angle, sample the data and immediately apply a filter, intensity threshold, or pattern matcher, so you discard noise. Once you detect a potential hit, log its distance and angle and compute a local neighborhood to confirm. Make sure to prioritize higher confidence hits. This focused execution reduces false positives and prepares a shortlist for the final verification stage. You finish by verifying the candidate located at radius 35 with a secondary method, such as cross-correlation or neighborhood averaging, so you validate its signature and reduce positional error. Once confirmed, record final coordinates and metadata and stop the sweep. If you don't find a reliable match, make sure to widen the angular resolution slightly or lower the detection threshold and repeat. This troubleshooting step handles weak signals without redoing the entire setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.